Hey guys, Joey here of YugaTech, and we're here in Barcelona for MWC 2019, where OPPO has just showcased some of its newest innovations, the main highlight of which was their new 10x lossless zoom technology. Back in MWC 2017, the company showcased their 5x zoom technology, and now 2 years later, I guess they've outdone themselves. So this new camera technology is made possible by a triple camera setup at the back of the phone. It consists of a high-resolution 48-megapixel main camera, an ultra-wide camera, and a telephoto camera. These all then work in tandem with software to provide focal lengths all the way from 16mm to 160mm. But what's interesting about the telephoto camera in particular is that it uses a periscope system, meaning they're able to arrange the actual lens elements laterally while saving space and keeping the smartphone itself as thin as it can be. It also takes advantage of optical image stabilization on two of the lenses to ensure quality in the final photo, as we can assume it's going to be some sort of combination of different photos from the different cameras, blended together in software. Now we don't know what future device OPPO is planning to use this new camera setup in, whether it's the F11 Pro, the R19, or the next Find X. And we can't really tell right now because at the demo area over here, the smartphones used to showcase the technology seem to be prototypes specifically made for this purpose, so yes, another reason we can't really tell. In any case, we were able to get some sample photos from the demo phone, so have a look at them here. The technology isn't perfect yet, of course. I'm not that blown away by the image quality, but nonetheless, it works. You do get the optical zoom look, but of course, half of the equation here is digital, which also means that with a few more refinements to the hardware and software, OPPO can definitely make this great once it reaches their upcoming device next quarter. So that's all for now, guys. Let me know in the comments down below if you're excited to see OPPO's new 10x lossless zoom technology in their future phones. And if you like this video, please do drop a like, subscribe for more content, hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and visit yugatech.com for more MWC 2019 coverage. This has been Joey, and I'll see you in the next one.